Hi, my name is Scott Krug with New England Low Vision and Blindness, and today I wanted to highlight professional development, assistive technology professional development geared toward people who are serving those who are blind or low vision. So I want to kind of cover the who, the what, the where, the when, the why, and the next steps to go forward. Okay, professional development, assistive technology. So who is a candidate for professional development? Number one is TVIs, also people who work for the state government, Commission for the Blinds, throughout each state. The VA hospitals and federal government agencies who are helping typically veterans who are senior in age with technology. All eye care professionals, ophthalmologists, optometrists, opticians, ophthalmic technicians, anyone who is working with people with low vision who need to have a refresher course on technology. Anyone who is CADIS or who is looking to get their CADIS certification, there is a big requirement to learn technology. Vocation rehab counselors, and lastly, anyone who is working with assistive technology or with anyone who needs assistive technology. They're really happy to have a day or 2 days or 3 days of professional development. So that is the who. What is professional development? Professional development is an overview and instruction, plus it's a hands-on of the technology that is being talked about. So we bring the technology either to you, or if you have it at our facility, you come here and experience it. Either way, the big bonus or the big plus of professional development is anyone can go to a website and watch a video, but when you get your hands on it, you feel the shape, the size, the weight, the interactivity of the device, and you can ask questions back and forth with our team about any of the technology. So it's an overview, it's instruction, plus a hands-on of all the leading brands. So we go over whatever it is that's important to you, whether it's any of the portable technology, all of the non-portable technology, all of the in-betweens we call the luggable, all of the wearable technology, and plus we incorporate all of the strategies for your digital devices, all of the accessibility features of your PC, your Mac, your iPhone, iPad, your Android, how to access these and which ones are the most useful. And then we also have professional development on all of the leading blindness technology. So we customize the professional development based upon your needs. And that is the what of professional development. Moving on, where does professional development take place? Well, professional development can take place either at our facility here in Worcester, Massachusetts, or quite regularly, we bring the technology to your location, to your facility. And we can do this anywhere in New England or anywhere in the United States. And then lastly, there have even been members of our team who have gone outside of the US, abroad. So it just is a matter of the logistics and scheduling and planning. So we can do it either here at our place or at your facility. When does professional development take place? Well, typically it can take place any time of year. All we need is approximately 3 months to prepare and plan and to coordinate the travel logistics. So about 3 months from when you're interested, start to contact us so we can start to make the plans and put something into the calendar. The sooner that you contact us, the more availability that we have. Why should you consider professional development? So professional development really does provide your staff, it provides your team an up-to-date experience and hands-on experience of all the newest assistive technology for people who are blind or visually impaired. So they can better engage their clients, they can better advise their clients, they can be more professional to their clients on all of the assistive technology. We know, as well as you know, that the questions are coming up. What do you think about this wearable? What do you think about this new portable device? What do you think about this new device that connects to a computer? Should I consider any of it? This is what we go through and talk about during Professional Development Day workshop. And in the end, what does this do? It strengthens them and your institutional brand because you can speak more intelligently about all these assistive technologies. Okay, lastly, what are the next steps? How do I get started? Well, it's easy. All you need to do is visit the website and answer just a couple of questions. Just we want your name, how to contact you, and then we give you a phone call. So we invite you to consider professional development. It's amazing. We can't change the whole world, but those who we see, and I know that those who you see, we do change their world, and a lot of that starts with professional development. Thank you very much for considering professional development, and we hope you contact us soon. Thank you.